Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Oja. Welcome to Nixie Ki Pathshala. Today we are going to study about singular and plural, how we change noun from singular to plural. And this is the first part, so let's get started. Noun number. Singular and plural. Whenever we talk about singular, singular means one. And when we talk about plural, plural means two or more than two. Okay. So suppose if I have one apple, so it's in singular form, it's an apple. And in plural form, suppose if I have like 3 apple, it is in plural form. Okay. So what we will say? Apples. Okay, so today we are going to study how we change nouns from singular to plural. Okay, basically whenever we want to change from singular to plural, what we used to do, we generally add s. Suppose if I say boy in singular form, plural form, it will be boys, girl will be girls, teacher, teachers. Okay, so you can see that here I have add s in the noun and it became plural. Okay, so here I am talking about an individual, one person or one thing. Here I am talking about the plural form, means more than one. Okay, so let's see other ways how we change from singular to plural. Whenever you listen hissing sound like s, double s, sh, ch, x, z, like if I say miss, class, dish, church, fox, quiz. So here let's see few examples. Bus, class, dish, church, quiz. So here you can see that in the end there is s, double s, sh, ch, z and x in these words. So they are like all hissing sounds. So what we will add whenever you find such hissing sound in the end of the word, we will add es in the end to make it plural. Okay, so it will become buses, classes, dishes, churches, quizzes, foxes. In this rule also there is some exceptions. Let's take few examples. Stomach, radius, ox. It will change into. So here you can see that we didn't add es in the end to make it plural. Instead of that, we just add s. Radius is completely changed to radii and ox change into oxen. We didn't add es in the end. So this is the second way to change from singular to plural. Let's see other ways. Whenever you find a vowel in the end, a, e, I, o, u, these letters are vowels. So whenever you find this vowel in the end of the word, to make it plural, you are going to add es in the end. Now obviously before o, there will be consonant. So if I say hero, mosquito, mango, potato. So here you can see that in these words there is o in the end. So what we will gonna do to make it plural, we will gonna add es in the end. So it will become heroes, mosquitoes, mangoes, potatoes. But still there are some exceptions in this rule also. Not every word that end with o will gonna change in plural form with es in the end. Let's see such words. Ratio, solo, photo, piano. Here also these words end with o, but we will not gonna add es in the end. It will become ratios, solos, photos, pianos. In the end we didn't added es. Instead of that we just add s to make it plural. So this is the third way. Let's see other words. Whenever you find double vowel in the end, like suppose double e in the end, or like io in the end, or suppose if I say bee, zoo, radio, tree, these words end with two vowel in the end. Bees, zoos, radios, trees. Here also we will just add s in the end to make it plural. So let's see other nouns, how we're going to change them into plural form. Whenever you find y in the end of the word and before that there is consonant, instead of y we will just going to add ies in the end to change from singular to plural. Okay, so let's see few examples. Cry, city, country, family. Here you can see that these words ends with y. To change from singular to plural, instead of y we will gonna add ies. Cries, cities, countries, families. So here instead of y we add ies in the end to change from singular to plural. Okay, if there is a word and there is y in the end of the word but before that there is any vowel, what you will gonna do, you will just gonna add s in the end with y. We will gonna keep that y and just add s in the end. So let's see few examples. Key, toy, monkey, donkey. These are the words in singular form. It ends with y but before that there is a vowel. Here e, o, e. Okay, so key will become keys, toy will become toys, monkey will become monkeys, and donkeys. Let's review today's lesson. First thing is, whenever there is a noun and we want to change from singular to plural, add s in the end. And if you find any hissing sound in the end of the word, s, double s, ch, sh, z, we will just gonna add es in the end. Change it in plural form. Any word that ends with o, add es in the end. Or it doesn't follows the rule, add s in the end. Whenever you find double vowel, just add s in the end. Whenever a word ends with y, add ies instead of y. If there is a vowel before y, add s in the end, keep the y. So we're gonna continue this session in the next part. I hope you guys understood how we're gonna change the noun from singular to plural. If anybody still have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.